Starting around 05 April 2024, Ethereum explicitly is exchanging at $3,283 in term of its host rate with the value change of 123% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Or so they in a real sense thought. ETH most certainly has a kind of complete market cap of $394, 175, 965, 812 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $17, 185, 469, 475, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. This by and large makes Ethereum ETH essentially positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024. What will Ethereum by and large be worth in 2024, which fundamentally is very huge? Is Ethereum in all things considered wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will ETH cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking? These especially are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost in every way that really matters is supposed to especially cross a sort of normal value level of $4,186, the normal extremely least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to in a real sense be $4,055. Which generally is genuinely huge. Besides, ETH can in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $4,853 in a significant manner. ETH value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is gauged to sort of be at around a for the most part least worth of $3,142, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Ethereum value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of $3,534 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $3,436 in USD, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Ethereum cost truly is conjectured to basically arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of $3,408, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost could really arrive at an especially greatest cost of $3,672 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $3,539, which fundamentally is very huge. ETH value estimate June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Ethereum truly is supposed to for the most part arrive at a very least value worth of $3,479, or so they in a real sense thought. The ETH cost could explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $3,813 with a typical cost around $3,610, which basically is very critical. Ethereum value expectation July 2024. Ethereum cost in a real sense is supposed to basically reach between $3,551 to $3,958 in July 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of ETH for the July certainly remains around $3,682 Ethereum value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum generally is supposed to basically be at around a sort of least of $3,666, which truly is very critical. Ethereum cost can especially arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $4,105 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $3,829 in USD. Exhibiting that Ethereum ETH value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Ethereum cost basically is estimate to sort of arrive at a flat-out most reduced cost of $3,408, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum ETH value gauge September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Ethereum sort of is anticipated to sort of arrive at a sort of typical cost of $3,906, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $4,296 and a really least of $3,742 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum value expectation October 2024. Ethereum cost especially is supposed to reach between $3,820 to $4,492 in October 2024, while the extremely normal cost of ETH for the October truly remains around $3,984 Ethereum value forecast November 2024. The cost of Ethereum in a real sense is truly anticipated to essentially reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $3,933 in November 2024. In every practical sense, Further appearance how the Ethereum value worth can in a real sense arrive at a for the most part limit of $3,534 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $3,436 in USD. The ETH cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $4,691 with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $4,064 all through 2024 incredibly. Ethereum ETH value expectation December 2024. The cost for Ethereum in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4,055 and $4,853, showing the way that the ETH cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme cost of $3,672 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $3,539, which by and large is genuinely huge, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $4,186, which is very critical. Ethereum exceptionally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been generally diminished by 263% in every way that really matters. Current worth, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap truly is likewise down. So ETH value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Ethereum basically is determined to, for the most part, be at around a by and large least worth of $3,142, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum explicitly is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which in every practical sense demonstrates the way that the ETH cost could especially arrive at a most extreme cost of $3,672 with the especially normal expected cost around $3,539. By and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ETH in a real sense is down to nearly 762% in the absolute most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for especially past genuinely couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have areas of strength for extremely in any case. We don't generally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in exceptionally present moment, showing how generally is Ethereum and in every practical sense, wise speculation or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2024, which certainly is very huge. Ethereum value gauge 2024 facts. What will essentially be Ethereum worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost by and large is gauged to sort of arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $4,853 with especially least cost of $4,055 toward the finish of 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Ethereum for the most part have a future, which truly is genuinely critical? As far as value, Ethereum in a real sense has a remarkable all things considered potential to arrive at new levels, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking basically. It for the most part is conjecture that ETH will increment in esteem. So ETH value figure June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Ethereum in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a by and large least value worth of $3,479, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. As indicated by genuinely unambiguous